Yeah. Ay no, ahorita yo lo ayudo. Yeah. Johnny, put those chairs. Yeah. Okay, where was it then? Then is the garage
It's still
clean or
dirty. The
Okay.
garage is still dirty.
No, let me ask her. Tell me, is the garage clean or dirty? Is it? Yes or no?
Yes.
What makes it clean?
It has weight, it has some tools, and it has a wagon with some
Now tell me this, is the tools clean? 100% clean? They can use food off of it? The first one?
How was the burger? Good?
How will you rate it?
Huh?
How will you rate it?
5?
10 out of 10.
Let me see. Look, that burger. Oh, Johnny.
Burger.
Melissa? Mira, Melissa.
Nadie puede hablar ahora.
Billy, how is the burger?
Am I belly?
Full?
Too much.
Too much?
It's too much for me. I'm full.
Marlene? How was the burger?
It was good though.
It
Got him.
Here we go, Mom. Come on.
It was good.
Good?
Yeah.
Johnny, how's the burgers?
We good.
How was the soda?
We good.
How was the fries?
I'm good.
Is it good?
Yeah, good.
And Melissa?
It was good. Everything was good.
Everything is just fine.
Mommy.
Angelica?
Good.
How about me?
What do you say, chef? Do you like your meal?
I'm the chef. Okay, here we go, Billy.
Yes. Hello, how's it going? It's me. I'm about to leave. As you can see, it is raining
Back to New
outside.
York.
It's Belly.
Look, it is Marita. It is
Liz, I don't care to
Melissa.
get wet. I'm
It
doing
is my
shower.
sister over there, being wacky as usual.
I'm dead.
Yes, and it's still raining pretty hard.
So such a beautiful weather we have.
What a wonderful world.
It's a whole new world.
I was singing the other guy's song, but okay.
Remember yesterday?
Are you wearing your belt, Billy?
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Oh no.
Billy.
How can I be so
Drop me. I
forgetful?
hate about that. It always wrong. Why do Melissa doesn't
Yeah, we have time. Don't worry about it.
Yes, she ran.
She doesn't look wet. I literally walked.
Well, it's dripping on her back.
Because
there's water behind her. It's dripping on her.
Because your guys' bags are in the way. Because your guys' bags are in the way.
Uh-huh.
Both of the bags are just moving my legs on one side.
Yes.
For you, you're good.
Yeah.
Plus, we have time because if you don't take the bus till 3.
Who knows what's Billy's video gonna call?
I don't know. MTV Cribs?
No, that died.
Oh.
What?
That show died a long time ago.
Gonna be watching the movie Cloverfield on the bus.
That
Yes.
one again?
Best way to go back to New York, right?
No.
No.
Watching explosions and monsters.
This might call it something. But
Oh,
that
what
one,
that movie? Why that one?
like not like a video, you already took the name, but you can't take the other person's name.
I know, right?
So you have to just make up a name. My sister decided to name it Maritza's World.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Because I don't know mom.
No comment. No comment.
I hope there's gonna be an explosion.
Also, I'm trying not to get my
Like
laundry
that
on wet.
pits.
And the shirts, Billy.
Huh?
Please don't get them wet.
I won't get my shirt wet. This is my favorite shirt. Look at this. I like it. The floral
Can
pattern.
you tap on it?
No, I
tap
said
on the black.
shirts.
Whoa, what
It's
about
on
it? Alright, it's been on. It's just been recording in silence.
I'm already getting drunk.
Avengers!
What?
It's just a truck. It's just an RV that says Avengers.
No.
Oh, we're almost there to our
Well, I
stop.
really
It is
wanna watch
currently 2:43.
Imagine if you
We're
guys
almost
actually
there
did
to our
that.
bus stop.
Imagine if you guys actually did
And I seriously need to get a license right now.
Why?
Because I could drive around once I did have a license.
Why?
That I bring Luke.
Okay, there.
Do you think a rental is cheaper, one? Rental car? Rental car, yeah.
Look at me.
To use out of state for a few days.
You guys are literally.
I don't know. Somewhere they gotta make money.
Yep.
We'll figure something. Okay.
I literally just get a license and then
For
drive a
instance,
rental.
I still owe you for the bike you buy for yourself.
Oh yeah, how much is it?
Mom said 200 for me, 200 for her.
Oh yeah, you both owe me $200 each. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I will like it though, because I do need the money.
I really hate
That
it.
and you need to use your bike. You're just letting the birds use it instead of
I want to use it, but you guys are gonna be like, oh, but it's a bird nest now. Like, I don't care about the bird nest. It's my bike. I want to use it. I wanted to use it to get bird food. Believe it or not.
No, I mean, it's already become a bird's nest because we never used it.
Ah, okay.
I really don't like my
Oh,
videos.
I'm not missed that. New
Yeah, I
York,
do.
Nah, it's not.
Lakewood.
Lock it, whatever. Yeah, we got time. We got like 15 minutes.
Imagine Billy actually. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think people are leaving on Monday, right?
Wait, so.
Because Monday's usually a work day, so people usually leave around like Saturdays and Sundays.
Almost.
Billy, do you want to say anything else before you leave?
You see, look, no bus, no passengers, well, no people. I mean,
There might be inside.
hope it is. Hope it's open.
Anyway,
Hey Billy.
I'll see you guys in December.
Hey Billy.
Okay, thank
Billy,
you.
can I tell you something?
Yes.
You want to say anything else to my subscribers? The family subscribers?
Subscribe to PewDiePie as always.
You, what? That's already a Christmas
All right, here you go. Whoever's the
Dude!
camera bearer.
Oh, it's mine.
You come
It's
out
my video.
You come out first because we need to take up the
Okay, wish me luck.
Bye. I hope you get wet.
Thanks, Billy.
Oh.
Thanks, Marlene.
Bye, like me.
Why open up
Bye,
the door?
Belly.
Bye,
Goodbye.
Belly. Go in. Get out.
Goodbye.
No, hug
Bye.
me.
Goodbye, you
Why me?
coronavirus.
I hate
Goodbye.
you. I hate you. Dude.
We'll give you a call when anything happens, okay?
Oh my gosh. Bye.
The
Oh, I'm gonna.
Bye, Marlene. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, the camera.
It's wet.
It's like bulky.
I can't believe Billy said cutie pie.
Hi, Ivan.
Whatever.
Going back to New York.
Everything's gonna be quiet in the house now.